In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new file in Figma. Whether you're kicking off a fresh design, setting up a brainstorming space, or preparing a slide deck, Figma makes it quick and straightforward. Let's start with the most common approach, using the Figma file browser. When you log in at figma.com or open the desktop app, take a look at the left-hand sidebar and select Drafts. Drafts is your personal workspace, a private area where you can create and explore without affecting any team projects. At the top of the Drafts view, click the Create button with the plus icon. You'll be prompted to choose the type of file you want to start with. Pick the option that fits your goal, such as a design file for interface and visual design, a FigJam board for whiteboarding and brainstorming, or a slide deck for presenting ideas. The moment you make your choice, Figma opens a brand new blank file so you can start working right away. You don't need to worry about saving. Figma saves automatically, and your new file is stored in Drafts by default. This is perfect for early exploration, personal notes, or quick experiments. If you're planning to collaborate, you can move that file into a team project later so teammates can access it with the right permissions. Think of Drafts as your staging area, and team projects as the shared shelves where finished or collaborative work lives. If you prefer an even faster route, use Figma's quick New File shortcut directly from your browser. In the address bar, type figma.new and press Enter. Instantly, Figma creates a brand new design file in your drafts and opens it for you. This is great when inspiration strikes and you don't want to click through menus. There are similar shortcuts for other file types too. For example, type figjam.new to jump straight into a fresh FigJam board. Just make sure you're signed into the right Figma account in that browser, because the new file will be created in the drafts of whichever account is currently active. That's all you need to get started. Use the Drafts route when you want to choose your file type from the browser or app, and rely on the figma.new shortcut when speed matters most. Either way, you'll land in a clean, ready-to-use space where you can begin designing or brainstorming immediately, with autosave keeping everything safe in your personal drafts until you're ready to move it into a team project for collaboration.